Want to keep an eye on your home without breaking the bank? This tiny camera is the ultimate security game changer. First, the 1080p HD video quality is absolutely crystal clear, so you never miss a detail. You're going to love how the night vision works. It's like having eyes in the back of your head, even in total darkness. Plus, the two-way audio feature is a total lifesaver for checking in on pets or greeting guests when you're not even home. It connects perfectly with Alexa for hands-free control, and setting it up literally takes seconds. It's compact, discreet, and does exactly what you need it to do without the massive monthly subscription headaches. Seriously, stop waiting around and wondering if your home is safe. This is the smart home upgrade you have been looking for. Tap the link in the description right now to grab yours before the price goes up.